Hey, morning YouTube. Today I want to do a quick follow-up on how the catch can and the Maverick's doing. Walk past the Ranger Raptor and the BMW E34. Trying to decide if I should work on this. If you guys want to see it on the channel. If you do, drop a comment, let me know if you're interested in seeing this get worked on. I got a full suspension overhaul. To restore this, usually when I work in a car, it's ground up. So brakes, suspension, restore all the bushings. The last time it drove perfect. All the windows, sunroof, everything works. You know, interior needs a little bit of love, but it is what it is. All right, so back to the Maverick. So a little while ago, maybe about 1,000 miles ago, I installed the UPR catch can for the 25 Maverick. It's a little bit different than the 22 through 24 Maverick due to the engine revision. But my wife's done about 1,000 miles and just wanted to see what the catch can looks like, how much oil is being caught. All right, let's check it out. Threads are clean, spins off very easily. Let's see if I can get you guys in some light. See, there's a little bit, about a tablespoon's worth. So it is doing something. All right. Spit it back, wait for the 10,000 mile service at the dealership, and then check it back up again. So as a reminder, we installed this at about 5,000 miles after the first oil change, and we're about a little over 1,000 miles into it, and as you see, there's about a tablespoon of oil and water in there. So I think it's helping. It wasn't too bad of an install. It didn't cost too much. Alright guys, thanks for checking back in. If you guys like it or like any of the content, or you want to see any of the videos we make on the BMW or the Ranger Raptor over there, which I need to do an introduction video to that and some of the work that we'll be doing on that guy, please give a like and follow. Alright, thanks.